Hello, so let's discuss machine learning. Machine learning is a field of study that gives computer the capability to learn without being explicitly programmed. That means we feed in data means input plus output, but it runs into machine during training and the machine creates its own program. Own program means its own logic, which can be evaluated while testing. It's very simple. You have input, you have output. Then machine learning is a concept. The entire input and output is converted to the program. So machine learning is the science of getting computers to learn and act like humans do and improve their learning over time in autonomous fashion, but by feeding those data and information in the form of observations and real world interactions. Now next, what is the role of machine learning in data? That means ML is highly dependent on the data we use. That is because the algorithms that we use is highly dependent on it for learning and drawing patterns, which will ultimately get us the prediction. So therefore a right, accurate and clear dataset is always requires. Dataset is basically divided into two parts. First one is called training dataset and second one is called testing dataset. And the ratio between training dataset and testing dataset, it should be 60-40 or it should be 70-30. That means 70% of training dataset and 30% of testing dataset. Now there are multiple libraries of machine learning. The first one is pandas. Pandas is responsible for data frame analysis, importing and reading CSV files, merging and joining dataset, dealing with missing data, splitting data, deleting values, and inserting specific values. That is the role of pandas. Next one is NumPy. NumPy is responsible for numerical analysis, linear algebra, and matrix computation. Next is MATPLOTLIB. MATPLOTLIB is basically responsible for 2D graphs or 3D graphs or different types of font properties, formatting, and various axes. Right? And next or last library is scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is probably the most useful library for machine learning in Python. It is only NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib. This library contains a lot of efficient tools for machine learning and statistical modeling, including classification, regression, clustering, and dimensional reductions. Now, machine learning is divided into two parts. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning. Supervised learning means it's a level data. That means you know each and everything about the data. That means type of data, data variations. That is supervised learning. Next one is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning means you have no idea about the data, means you are zero about the data. That is unsupervised. That means there is a collection of mixed type of data. That is unsupervised learning. Now next step, we are going to discuss programming step in machine learning. There are multiple tasks. First, acquiring data. Second, manipulating data. Third, training model. Fourth, testing model. Fifth, improve the model. Right? Next task, we have to discuss what about deep learning. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning where artificial neural network algorithm inspired by the human brain learn from large amount of data. Similarly to how we can learn from experience, the deep learning algorithm would perform a task repeatedly, each time tweaking it is little to improve the outcome. Deep learning algorithm run through several layers of neural network algorithms, each of which passes a simplified representation of the data to the next layer. So next, what are the areas of deep learning? First one, virtual assistants. Second, translations. Third, vision of driverless delivery trucks, drones, and autonomous car. Chatbots, image correlation, facial recognition, medicines, and personalized shopping and entertainment. Next important part is artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Now, but there is a big difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning is the development of computer algorithms that allow computer program to automatically improve through experience. It is an application of AI that provide system the capability to automatically learn and improve from experience. So here we can generate a program by integrating input and output of the program. That is machine learning. But artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of making computer behave in ways that require human intelligence. So it's very simple. Artificial intelligence equal to artificial means made by human plus intelligence means ability to learn. So the word artificial intelligence comprised of two words, first artificial and second was intelligence. Artificial refer to something which is made by human or non-natural things, and intelligence means ability to understand or think. Now next, what is the role of artificial intelligence in life science? There are many roles in artificial intelligence of life science. First is advancing diagnostics. Second one, advancing research of new product. Third, accelerating drug development. Next, clinical trial, improving clinical site selection, optimization data, and optimization is diseases management. This is the main task of artificial intelligence.